Stonefish, a wonderful creation of nature. Stonefish, whose English name is stonefish, is a strange and mysterious creation of nature. It is known as the most poisonous fish in the world. Its scientific name is Synanceia. This fish looks almost like a stone, which helps it to camouflage itself on the sea floor. Stonefish is mainly found in the Indo-Pacific region, especially in the coastal areas of Australia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and India. It usually lives on coral reefs, rocky areas and muddy seabeds. The most attractive feature of the stonefish is its camouflage. Its body looks like a stone and is colorful, which makes it almost invisible on the sea floor. This feature protects the stonefish from predators and helps it catch prey. The stonefish has 13 poisonous spines on its body, which are located on its back. These spines are so strong that they can be fatal to humans. If someone accidentally steps on or touches a stingray, its spines penetrate the body and poison is released. This poison is so powerful that it can cause severe pain, paralysis, tissue necrosis, and even death. The effect of stingray venom is so terrible that it has established itself as a formidable predator in the marine world. However, this fish is usually peaceful in nature and only uses its venom for self-defense. Treatment for stingray venom requires prompt treatment. In some countries, such as Australia, special antivenoms have been developed for stingray bites, which help reduce the effects of the venom. The lifestyle of the stingray is quite mysterious. It usually lives alone and moves very slowly. It survives by eating small fish, crustaceans, and other marine animals. The stingray's hunting technique is also quite amazing. It silently waits on the seabed, and when its prey comes close, it attacks at high speed. Not much information is known about the reproduction of stingrays. However, it usually lays eggs during the rainy season. The eggs and young of the stonefish are also poisonous, which protects them from predators. Although the poison of the stonefish is dangerous to humans, it is an important part of the marine ecosystem. It plays an important role in the ocean food chain and helps maintain marine biodiversity. However, human activities, such as climate change, ocean pollution, and overfishing, have threatened the habitat of the stonefish. The stonefish is a wonderful creation of nature, which fascinates us with its camouflage, poison, and lifestyle. It reminds us of how diverse and mysterious nature is. It is our responsibility to preserve animals like the stonefish and protect their habitat. Only then can we keep this strange and beautiful creature alive for future generations.